How's it going, guys? Lane here with the Unsuccessful Hunters. Now, deer season's over and we're doing a whole lot of trapping. It's a great way to get critters off your property and overall just help your small game population. We've had a lot of coons here in our bait piles and we're getting sick and tired of it. They'll take it all out overnight. They love corn. So, I'm getting into trapping. What do I need? Duke 1.5. Most versatile trap. It'll get her done, but it's not good for anything. But if you're just trying to get into trapping, one trap that'll do it all. I love it. I've trapped foxes, coons. You can kind of grow with this trap. Once you've mastered the coon game and you want to get into foxes, this is your man right here. But say you live in an urban setting, you got a bunch of neighbors with dogs. These are super simple. Let me show you how to set them. And it's set. That's ready to catch a coon right there. But these right here are your most versatile. So if I was going to get into trapping, I would take one of these right here, a Duke 1.5, which this is not a Duke, but a Duke 1.5 is the way to go. You can make cubby sets, bucket sets, same thing, and you can make dirt hole sets for little predators. These are the way to go. Check it out. Look at F&T, Who's Your Trapper, link in the description where you can find these kind of traps. On to the next one.